gonna get you. Happy. Here he goes. He's gonna get you. He's getting you, Happy. Who's gonna get you? He's thinking about it. He's going to do a little scratching first. Get him, Boo. Get Happy. Get him. Come on, you guys. You were out here playing 5 minutes ago. Get him, Boo. Oh, man. You guys aren't going to do anything, huh?
They're just taking a little rest.
Yeah. They like to play. That's good. They get along real good. Boo, look at Daddy. Come here. Where'd he go? He's going to get your tail, Happy. There he goes. He got your tail. He's going to get you. He's not afraid. You might be bigger, but you go down just as easy. Right, Boo?
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.